Today we're going to change the spark plug on a Stihl MS170C chainsaw. First of all, use a flathead screwdriver to unlock the shroud. You can now remove the shroud from the machine. Lift the air filter from the machine. This will make it easier to access the spark plug. Remove the rubber cap from the spark plug. Use the 19mm Hex Socket Spanner to loosen the spark plug. Once it's loose, you can remove the spark plug by hand. Screw the new spark plug into the machine. Make sure it's secure. Place the spark plug cover back on. Relocate the air filter back into place. Place the shroud back over the machine. Fix the shroud onto the machine by tightening the screw located at the back of the shroud. That's how you change the spark plug on the Stihl MS170C. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.